Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
How does a personal injury lawsuit differ from an insurance claim? If you've been injured in an accident, you may wonder whether you should file an insurance claim or pursue a lawsuit, or if they're even different at all. While both paths aim to get you compensation, they're very different in process, timing, and strategy. Here's a breakdown of the key differences between a personal injury lawsuit and an insurance claim, and how to know which one might be right for your situation. Insurance claim. The first step in most cases. An insurance claim is usually the first action taken after an accident. It's a request for compensation made directly to the at-fault party's insurance provider or your own in certain cases. Key points. It's informal, outside of court. It involves negotiation with insurance adjusters. Most claims are settled without litigation, faster than a lawsuit, but often results in lower offers. You can file a claim for auto accidents, slip and fall injuries, dog bites, other liability-related accidents, personal injury lawsuit, a legal action in civil court. A lawsuit is a formal legal action filed in court when the insurance company denies your claim. They offer a lowball settlement. There are disputes about fault or damages. Your injuries are severe or long-term. Key points. Takes longer, months to years. Involves court filings, discovery, and potentially a trial. Offers more tools for building your case, like subpoenas, depositions. May result in higher compensation through a verdict. Timeline differences. Insurance claim lawsuit. Usually resolved in weeks/months, can take 1 to 2+ years. Negotiation-based legal process with rules. Often private public record. Costs and complexity. Insurance claim. No court costs, but still benefits from attorney negotiation. Lawsuit. More complex, but typically handled on contingency, so you don't pay unless you win. Your lawyer will handle both processes, starting with a claim and moving to a lawsuit only if necessary. Which path is right for you? It depends on the severity of your injuries, the insurance company's response, how clear the liability is, your willingness to wait for a larger payout. Most cases begin with a claim. If negotiations stall, your lawyer will discuss whether filing a lawsuit is in your best interest. Start with a claim, but be ready to fight. Insurance claims are a good first step, but they're not always the final one. If negotiations fail, a personal injury lawsuit may be the best way to secure full and fair compensation. Not sure which route to take? Let's discuss your options. Contact the personal injury law firm of Figueroa and Associates. Schedule a free consultation today. Call 855-768-8845. Visit askthelawyer.us.
Every day, thousands of people in New York State are injured in accidents. Many of them in automobile, bicycle, motorcycle, bus, cab, train, or pedestrian accidents. Most of them occur when drivers are texting while driving. Figueroa and Associates can help you perfectly to get all your medical expenses reimbursed. In addition, we can advise you and take your case when you have experienced a dog bite, medical malpractice, slip and falls on the streets or in any public or private establishment in the state of New York. You can get your life back to the way it was. Call now, 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845, or visit us at 311personalinjury.com. Again, 311personalinjury.com. Get the right legal team that understands you in this hard situation.